Hey, what's up guys, Prometheus here, and today we'll be doing a tutorial not only on ClipChamp, but HitFilm Express and HitFilm Pro. So it's kind of like a mixture of both. Sometimes I use both at the same time, and I'll tell you why. Because sometimes you see things and you don't really want to recreate the wheel. Like for example, we're gonna go into this social handles right here, and we want to click. I kind of like the dynamic social handle. So what we could do is use this template. Now you can do everything you can, or everything can be done in ClipChamp. Though you have the basics of to make a proper video for, I guess, YouTube or your social medias. But let's say if you want to add in more juice to it or more flavor, you might want to use an outside source as far as HitFilm Express or DaVinci or something like that. But for this particular video, we're going to be messing with HitFilm Pro and ClipChamp. If you guys haven't done so already, please subscribe, click the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified of my future uploads. Now we'll be back just in a second as soon as this is done importing. Alright guys, it's done importing, and for this particular example, now you can click on either one, but we're going to be using let's take a look at what. Ooh, I like those both of them look really nice. I actually like them both. We're going to be using the YouTube one right here. I think everybody understands that that the logo. It looks like we messed up, but that's okay. We just got to delete that right there. And we'll go over back to our timeline and just add that. There we go. Boom. Okay, let's just try it now. Play it like it is. Okay, so now I kind of want to maybe make it. We added too many. I was probably just old, trying to refresh and stuff. Computer's running a little slow, so I think we wanted to just position it. I want to make it kind of like a lower third for this particular spot right here, and let's move that right there. And let's just play it again and see what happens as far as that goes. Maybe it's better in the middle for this. We'll put like a middle, and then we'll maybe put up top. Okay, and let's do this right here. Okay, let's play it one more time. Okay, I like that. Now go here, make sure this is highlighted. You can click here or click there. Sometimes it's easier just to click like there. And then you want to click the text and whatever text you want. Let's see, we're going to do Prometheus. Oh, I can't spell it. Prometheus. There we go. Slide it, position it kind of as best we can in the center. Okay, so we have our, let's try it one more time just to see how we look. Boom, I kind of like that. And also, you don't have to stick to this font. You can go to different fonts. You can also import your own font. It's either completely fine. I don't know. Maybe we can keep the same. The stock font. Let's see. Check what Vampire one is. I don't know if I like that one, but let's keep looking. There's tons of fonts, obviously. We want one that's kind of like stands out a little bit. Let's see what this does. Okay. I kind of like that one. It's not too bad. All right, let's play it again. Okay, there we go. That's pretty cool. I like that. Of course, you can change the colors. And you can change the colors of this one and stuff like that. So what we do now is we'll just export it. And we'll keep it at 1080p. And once it's exported, you can use the name and stuff. It's going to go straight to your downloads page or whatever. And then, boom, it's done. Quick and easy because that was a short video. Now let's go over to HitFilm. We'll start a new project. And we're going to our media tab. Click new and composite shot. Click OK. Options, we're going to click the checkerboard background, and we're going to import, go to our downloads folder or wherever folder it was, and click right here. and play it one more time just to see how it runs on here. So in the previous, we need to probably slide this back over, I think. So that's okay. You can just go to keep editing and it'll redo it. It'll buffer. And sometimes when you're doing this, you're gonna have to play things a bunch of times just to see. Okay, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Then we're gonna go export again. Shouldn't take too long because it's already going the same as fast. Okay, let's go back to HitFilm Express. Let's get rid of the dynamic social media handle, and let's go ahead and boom, and click and drag. All right, play it again. Boom, there you have it right there. Now there's two ways to get rid of the background, the black, because we don't necessarily want a black one. We want the to be we don't want to see the background. We don't want it black. So we can either do luminance key. We'll click and drag down, and it's gonna, then of course it's like that, but then we're gonna have to tweak it like so. So the luminance key or the demult, but the only problem with the demult, I think, is you're gonna have to do a little extra something. So we'll uncheck the luminance key here, and we'll try and go to the effects tab and type in the demult effect. That all depends. So that one's quick and easy, but sometimes you have problems where it removes too much, and demult doesn't really give you much of a threshold area for changing it. So there you have it, guys. And then what we want to do is when we're ready to export it on HitFilm Express, we just want to make sure we use the GoPro SendForm with alpha MOV file. Just to keep in mind though, on the ClipMate, you cannot the import of you can't really use MP MOV files. They can't import or export, so that's that. Unfortunately, that's how it works. I don't know if it does it with the Pro, because I haven't used the Pro on ClipChamp, but hey, it still pretty good. Just a little workaround. But that's it, guys. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, do not forget to click the like button, and subscribe too, because we'll be putting more videos and stuff. If you have any comments or ideas to put more videos on, please let me know. Shoot them down below. Thank you so much for watching. Happy editing, my friends.